COVID-19 has changed the definition of clean. We've moved from cleaning for appearance to cleaning for health and safety. Proper cleaning, disinfection, and sanitization has become a priority for every household, school, government building, and private business. Jon Don has the industry expertise, critical supplies, and hands-on support you need to instill confidence in your workforce, your customers, your patients, your students, your guests. From PPE to disinfecting, air scrubbers to best practices for efficient cleaning protocols. We're the source the pros trust. The increased demand for cleaning services brings many challenges to your business. Even after the crisis clears, you should expect the new meaning of clean to remain. Visit jondon.com today, call, or stop by one of our retail locations so we can help you build a plan and provide you with everything you need to tackle the next normal. Jon Don. Let's tackle your toughest jobs.